Oh God! Hey guys, how the heck are you? I hope we're doing great. I hope you're having an awesome day. This is the Firework War video of our crazy 4th of July, and we went all out this year, and I am really excited for next year, because next year we're going to go even bigger. So, on the 4th of July, the people that we usually compete with, they didn't do anything on the 4th because it was on a Wednesday, and I understand because that's hard for people because they have jobs and they have to work and stuff. But they went a couple days later, and I'll have all of their fireworks stuff after hours, but we were the king of the lake on the 4th of July because, I don't know, our stupid little competition that means nothing, we did really good with fireworks. So, I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys like this video, please share it with your friends, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and stick around to the end because there are some awesome fireworks in this video. Let's get right into it. We're putting the dock in, guys. Sketchy wheels in that thing.
How's it looking?
Not great. It looks like it's coming straight at me.
What do you want to do, Craig? Not touch it till it's on the ramp?
It's on the ramp, yeah.
Alright. Yeah, we're going to have to shimmy it. Alright. Really?
Yeah,
just all the way around?
Yeah.
Good idea.
Elephant dog, let's go for a swim. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Go get it. Go get it. Man, he wants it. Standing on his hind legs. There he goes. Oh, he got it. That's not what he was looking for. That was a small rock. Here's the rock collection so far, guys. And this is like day 4.
You alright?
Yeah, all over
That was probably a good one.
there. Let's get right into the fireworks, guys. I hope you guys enjoy because we have these fireworks right here. And then there's some in this building over here, too. So, it's going to be an awesome night, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, over here we have all the fireworks and we're gearing up for the 4th of July. Got 5 mortar tubes and a couple cakes, and then we got even more bigger cakes. And we have more over here, guys. Okay guys, the first tank war, this guy shot straight at this tank, but then got obliterated by fireworks, so now we're doing it again. Okay, so I'm gonna put that in slow-mo, guys. I don't know if you saw that, but this one, I don't know what happened, but it backfired and a rocket flew out of the back of it straight up at me. I hope it doesn't start the other one. Autofocus hates me. Here we go. you go. You got the big one. On Andy. Gee. Do you have hearing still? Oh God! That was not good. Still got more.
Yeah.
Dad, did you light the other one?
Yeah,
I have another ball. Yeah. 90 seconds of pure fun grand finale, let's go!
It's a dud.
yeah, it's a dud.
An $100 dud. Yeah. Didn't even know yet.
Man, that's good.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
So that coconut palm.
Freaking awesome.
Finale.
Alright guys, we won the 4th of July, but today is Friday, 2 days after the 4th of July, and these guys are shooting off their fireworks. So we won the 4th of July, but now it's their turn to show what they got. So, I missed a couple of fireworks, but they already showed that they have an amazing show tonight. So, let's get right into it, guys. Alright guys, it is time to wrap up this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed all the insane fireworks, because there was a ton of fireworks and they went all out down the way where we were, like what our competition usually is. They went all out, we went all out, so it was a pretty awesome thing that we did, just having fun with fireworks and hanging out by the campfire and stuff. Thank you guys for watching. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe. I'll see you guys next week, because I'm not going to upload tomorrow because tomorrow is Wednesday. I'm just going to upload today, Tuesday. But yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Have a great rest of your week.